Hey guys, Joe the Auto Guy here to talk about my new 2000 PSI Ryobi pressure washer. It's electric, plugs into the wall, don't have to do any maintenance to the gas side, so you know, that's kind of what I want with the electric one. And I kind of want to show you that this thing isn't no slouch and keep up with my requirements. It features a lengthy cord with a built-in circuit breaker. You can easily just plug it into the wall. Gives you a green light, lets you know everything's good. Test button and a reset button. The unit itself is really lightweight. It's got nice, easily rolling wheels. The gun also hose is fed there. There's a nice wind-up cord reel, although we may be using it wrong, but you have to actually undo it from the entire machine before you can reel it up. Not a big deal, but easily allows easy cord storage instead of the wind-up. Easy trigger pull and trigger lock for lockout in case you don't want it to be pulled. With a 15-degree tip, soap dispensing tip, and a turbo nozzle with easy storage solutions there, and easy on-off button, and ready to go with now starting. Like I said, not a slouch either. This pressure washer also surprised me with its performance being electric. I didn't really know what to expect from this one, but literally, it's pretty good. Even has enough power to clean the driveway. It's not as loud, you can still have a conversation when this is going. And recovery is pretty fast. On the trigger, you got pressure next to immediately. I mean, it's got pressure behind it, the blast is pretty far. So like I said, the little Ryobi pressure washer pretty much impressed me on every level. Easy storage, easy wind-up cord. Has a soap dispensing bottle that I also haven't attached yet, but you know, really small tight package. I can put it away. Snap-on handle. You know, you can pop this handle off. And out of the box, this took me about maybe a minute to set up. So really easy to get it in use. Power, you just need water, electric hookup. I'm running off a small amp circuit. It doesn't use too much, doesn't need too much power to power it, doesn't drain down lights, any of that stuff. Easy storage, no maintenance, no carbs to clean, nothing. You just get to use it when you want to use it. Couldn't say better things about it, and impressed me in every single way. And being a 2000 PSI, pretty much what you need for most jobs, and especially for a household or car detailer like me. So win-win. This was on sale for $179, normal price $199. Depends on your area. Check out Home Depot. They're sold exclusively there. This thing works, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You'll see a lot more videos like this one.